Rod with the Doctor's Toy Store. Ladies and gentlemen, Olympus CYF-5. Just got one in here from a place that never opened. Come on over here real quick, cameraman. So it's a CYF-5, mint condition, never used. Okay, instead of paying $9,000 or $10,000, we've got it at the Doctor's Toy Store for $5,000. I just have one. It's got all the tips. It's got the traveling air adapter. It's got a cleaning brush, and it's got everything in the case. So all you have to do is close it, or we'll ship it direct to you. Here it is. And call the Doctor's Toy Store. We'll repair your scopes. We also have your tables, your lights, your chairs, your ultrasounds, rigid flexible endoscopy, your liposuction. We also buy your excess equipment. We're conveniently located between Fort Lauderdale and Miami Airport. Call us today, 877-DRS-TOYS. Dial now.